once you understand this one code base, you can ask it to ingest with another code base. So I'll show it to you right here. So we have our front-end repository, and we can merge with another repository. In this case, something we've been working on recently is the ability to draw different graphs of all the metrics that you need in your repo. So if I go ahead and hit add here, as you can see, it will essentially merge these so that you can ask specific questions about how one repository affects them. So that will go ahead and continue to ingest in the backend. In the meantime, I'd like to also follow up with the ability to answer different issues. So we can take all of our PRs or issues that are present in a repository and ask it specifically for how to deal with this. So it's taking all the content from a repository, all the issues that are currently in GitHub, and it uses all the past PRs, all the past issues along with our code in order to give us suggestions on how to get started on these tickets. So here I'm asking it specifically in our dashboard, we need to integrate with this calendar library, and how can we get started doing that? That's really pointed information on how to do that. So as you can see, it is walking us through each of the different suggestions, and then it also gives us a follow-up question on how to handle this best. And we can look at the new repository. So this is the one that is merged across both Chart and React.js. So here we can ask it a specific question. I'm looking to figure out how I can implement a bar chart, let's say. Awesome. So let's go ahead and ask it, how can I implement a bar chart in the user dashboard with a dynamic feed image? And as you can see here, this saves you the need from reading all of their documentation, as well as understanding the integration details between your code base and this third-party library. It figures all that for you and gives you a guide within your own code using the latest, most up-to-date details from this library. So here I can go ahead and get started with exactly what it has prescribed.